Thuy chlorophyll puree. Let's skip the health benefit enumeration since there are so many for this sweet and short tutorial video. We need a total of 3 to 4 cups of one or several kinds of organic leafy vegetables. Arugula, young baby spinach leaves, green charts. The whole leaf looks like this. Well, it starts to be tight in here. 1 teaspoon of matcha tea or spirulina powder. Half tablespoon of organic salsa sauce. Pour as little water as possible, only enough to allow the blender to puree all the ingredients. I use here the Ninja blender with its Nutri container. Because 3 to 4 cups of veggies are too tight inside that container, so I blend a few veggies before adding more. Oops, let's add a little bit more of water to help blend well. Here's a whole black kale leaf. I complete the ingredients with black kale, half of a green or an unripe tomato, juice of half fresh lemon or lime, and I squeeze it until the last drop. Sea salt to taste. A blender with a high-powered motor is required to obtain the best result for this recipe. In the summer, I pour a little bit more water to transform this full-of-life Thuy chlorophyll puree into a refreshing chilled summer soup. But for this freshly made chlorophyll puree, eat it with a spoon or drink it with a straw. Fill your body with it.